we are starting a project. We're going to paint our table area and kitchen. So we got all the stuff except for a couple of things. We're about to get the paint now. Yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my little sister are going to be painting our table area and part of our kitchen. We got all the supplies out Home Depot that you saw, and now we're just cleaning up the area, and then we're going to start. Okay. Should hide this curtain.
You want to paint all this, the whole thing?
Good, it'll look nice.
Where's the plastic? It's in my granny's room. Where? She was on the shelf thingy.
The what thingy?
On the shelf thingy.
What? That's not there. I think I'm making it.
And now we can use newspaper.
Yeah, playing with that.
What did you just break?
This thing just popped out. What the fuck? It goes to my tripod. Well, this be fine. It'll be okay. I'ma stop standing. You got this center from Jesus. You got this center from Home Depot. It's like about 6 in the package. And this little piece came separate. Let me just use that broomstick. That's broken. Alright, let's stop this. Let's do this. Okay, so we got this thing and it ended up not working at all. Like, it doesn't have any sticky part on the other side, the Velcro part. And so we ended up having to go all the way to Walmart to get a real sander instead of using this thing. But for this day one, we just did it by hand. And it was not, it was, it took a while. But we got to work, somehow, eventually, I guess you can say. Okay, so the wall. We realized that a lot of the baseboards were not nailed down properly. They were like nailed down to nothing of that. So we had to nail it down onto the wood behind it. So we didn't have any nails. We had to go all the way out to the store and get some nails. So that's what I did.
Yeah, this nail's not showing. These little ones that before that drawer is not on there.
The sanders here are no more than $20. Look at that. They're out of roofing. They're out of wood screws apparently. So I don't know. I'm still getting though.
Meanwhile.
So some years ago that we took something out of the kitchen, and I think it was my brother, took it down real too fast and made a hole inside of the paneling. So I'm about to fill it in.
Wipe it down. Wipe.
Good enough. I'm gonna come back later and finish filling it in, but that's good enough right now. Let that
Wipe it down.
dry.
Ran into here when at 79 and search for these. I don't know if it's the right one. This is town board nails, and I'm hoping that it's right. You got the nails. Alright, I'm gonna nail this down. This little panel with rose came off for a long time. Now I'm nailing it back down.
There was one more bag that had frozen stuff in it.
Everybody, put it down!
Sing song for cheaters. Sing song anthem for cheaters. It really is. The shit.
This is how far we got so far. I'll even clean the door off. We're getting ready to paint now. She's taking it down. We gotta sand that part though. We forgot to sand that.
Oh, it's this part. This is what I gotta stop from. Okay.
I'm gonna paint this gray.
Y'all want to listen to the whole picture?
Yeah, and steps.
Both.
It's gonna be
And then we're also doing the backsplash in the kitchen.
It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be like a whole week probably. Where's my?
We're ahead of schedule.
Very ahead of schedule. Here's that early.
Oh look, no more stains.
Yay, the thing is gone. That's what. Hi, Uncle. You staying for dinner? Say hi to the camera. This is going on YouTube.
You better make sure that I look good before you put it on YouTube. I don't like too much things you are posting there.
Uncle, pick this down. That thing is stuck.
You what now?
That thing right there. What paint on the door?
See, I knew they was gonna look at us like we're crazy.
Well, don't paint the wood though. Don't paint the wood.
It has to match the door.
No, not the wood. It's not gonna stick on there.
It will.
Yeah, it's made for that.
Wait for it.
Oh really?
Good. I'm gonna take it down.
Paint the wall. Paint all that. Paint not the wood, for God's sake.
Uncle, can you get that down? Uncle.
Chris, eh?
Can you get that down? That little thing?
What is that?
That's the old security system thing.
I can't get up there. I'm just
Here,
right here.
You tried to take it down. It didn't work. I really like this white. The white looks really nice. It makes it brighter in here. That's so dark.
It does make it brighter.
You are trying to mess me up.
No, we don't. We really need this.
I mean, we
No,
have
won't come out.
Are you not entertained? Yeah. There's something holding it back.
Well, really bad? I'll get the. This is looking so nice, especially on camera. Like with the gray with the white looks really good in the corner. Okay, this is day 1. We got it all painted, and then we painted the door. We just gotta finish the rest tomorrow. Or at least continue it tomorrow.